Task 5 video tutorial. My name is Karina Silva Serpa. My grade is 15. Okay, today I will explain about the pronunciation of consonant and their articulation. Okay, tutorial on. Start. Articulation. The first consonant your sound is ch. Your place palatal velar and minor affricate. Okay, second consonant, your sound is and your place dental and minor fricative. Next consonant, your sound is place palatal velar and minor fricative. Okay, next page is the example words. Okay, consonant symbolic alphabet sound words. Okay, the first consonant shifts, choice, picture. Next consonant bath, healthy, teeth. And next shop, national, special. Shop, national, special. Okay, example with phrase. Sentence or sentence. Okay, first consonant. The teacher is in his chair. The teacher is in his chair. Okay, next example. The consonant. The ear is round. The ear is round. The ear is round. And finish example. The fish is very tasty. Okay, pronunciation exercise. The three consonants. Okay. Surround the net, the river, and you can catch a big fish. Surround the net, the river, and you can catch a big fish. Other exercise, I think the teacher share a short real lips. A theme the teacher's chair the short real lips. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.